In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in Google Sheets. This walkthrough is designed to help you keep tabs on the changes made to your spreadsheets, which is particularly valuable when you're collaborating with others or simply need to maintain a clear record of your documents' revisions. Understanding how to view and utilize version history in Google Sheets can save you from many headaches down the line. Let's get started. First, begin by opening your web browser. You'll want to navigate to Google Sheets. In case you're new to this platform, you can easily find it by searching Google Sheets on your favorite search engine and clicking on the first link that appears, or if you prefer, you can directly open Sheets, google.com, in your browser. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, locate and open the specific spreadsheet you're interested in tracking. With your document open, direct your attention to the top left of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu bar. Click on File. This is your gateway to accessing Google Sheets' many essential features. So, go ahead and click on File to open a drop-down menu with several options. The next step is to find and click on Version History. It's in the menu that has just appeared. This feature is key to tracking edits because it keeps a chronological log of all modifications made to the document. It essentially allows you to travel back in time and view what your spreadsheet looked like before, as well as see who made each change and when. Once you click on Version History, you'll see an option labeled See Version History. Click on that, and a detailed panel will appear on the right of your screen. This panel contains a list of all the different versions of your document. Each entry is marked with a timestamp indicating when that version was saved, which can be extremely useful for pinpointing the exact moment changes were made. Now, you can click on any of the versions listed to view the edits made in that specific version. By doing this, you'll be able to see exactly what changes were implemented. The changes are usually highlighted, making it easier to identify new input or modifications. You can even revert to a previous version if you find that preferable, or if errors were made in subsequent versions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently track changes in Google Sheets, ensuring you maintain control over your documents and collaborate more effectively. Remember, utilizing version history not only helps in managing your data, but also fosters a transparent team environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.